Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot for the second time this weekend. Yes, I had to go back. I had to buy some grass and some fertilizer and stuff like that for my front yard. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much this is Home Depot in the South Phoenix area. And yes, the first thing before I forget, get my grass. If you guys have some tips for planting grass, if you guys are experts, let me know down in the comment section. How many times I can water or whatnot. I'm just a beginner. I think I planted grass once in my lifetime. So other than that, the grass is growing by itself. But last time I grew grass, I had trouble growing it and the seed germinating and stuff like that. So I got one of those turf builder lawn bags here, and hopefully that'll help out on the areas where it's harder to grow on the grass. But if you guys have any tips, let me know. Now back to the tools. We got $4.99 on the. As you guys see, we got a lot of people cutting their lawn here in Home Depot. Some Halloween decorations there. Yeah, they're running pretty much a deal on all these lawnmowers. $269 for the Toro. I remember these Toros used to be a lot of money. Now they're $269. They're pretty much on clearance prices here. Nobody wants gas anymore. All the homeowners and basically DIYs homeowners are just going for electric, and the professionals are going straight for Honda. So anyways, we got Husky, so we got some nice totes here. $29.98. They do got some weather stripping on the front. I really like the clear cases on the top. That way you can see what's in there. $24.97 for the small, and then $69.97 for the medium and the rolling box for the Husky. You got some Milwaukee. You got the batteries for $159. Those are the old promo that they used to have, the buy one get one free, but now they just have the batteries. And then we have pretty much this is to buy one tool and get a free battery, a 5 amp hour battery, or buy two tools or two combos and get 2 6s. Definitely recommend you guys getting the 6s because you guys are getting the 21700 cells, the upgraded version of those batteries. These, you got the M12, buy any of those kits on the left, get any of those tools on the right. They still had some kits down. Those are basically all the tools. Yeah, they still had some of those surge kits there. You guys could still get, at least at this Home Depot. So I would just, if you guys want to get this deal, definitely jump on it. It's a great deal. If you're getting fuel's probably one of the better brands. You got the 2488, 100 watt power. Basically a little inverter, or a little, inverter. That's what it is for the car. So you can hook it up to your 12 volt and pretty much run any small appliance. You got the flex volt there. I was just looking for the new flex volt because I know they're coming out the new what is it, flex volt advantage. So I was trying to look up there in the upper part of the aisles. Basically that's all I saw, some flex volts. You got an angle grinder there and circuit saw. That's all I saw. You got the buy more save more steel from DeWalt. Definitely recommended for you guys. Spend the $500 or at least close to the $500 and you guys can get that $175 off. And then they do have the Tough System 2.0 here. So if you guys are looking for that, it's on sale still for $79. That's the Tough System 1.0. Actually, that's the old one. But the 2.0 is at the very back if you guys saw it there. That's the battery and charger. That's the 3 amp hour battery for $119. Like I said, definitely check it out if you guys are looking into get into this deal. You got the plumbers section here. Not every Home Depot has this plumber section, at least not yet. I'm pretty sure it's coming through it's Home Depot near you, and that's pretty much the M18. So that's the big boy there. It is a battery operated tool. That's pretty much for the main drains or the main lines going to the main. Basically, you know how you have that big old opening outside your house or around the outside of your house. And that's the M12. That's mainly for inside the house. Not inside the house, but you know, smaller drains in the house or around the house. Yeah, would definitely not put that big one inside the house. It will destroy some pipes. You got another one there. It's like an air snake, whatever you want to call it. So there's that. And they got the M18 transfer pump, M18. That's the pump right there. Yeah, they pretty much got a full line of plumber's accessories here, or plumber's tools. I really like how Milwaukee's. I wish, you know, other brands like DeWalt or Rigid will step onto this direction. But yeah, Milwaukee's pretty much, they're pretty much shooting for looking at, you know, all the professionals. Yes, guys, huge clearance section here. They got a whole bunch of fans, a whole bunch of, you know, stuff for the house. And they got a lot of tools. Well, at least Eagle and Makita and yeah, Eagle and Makita pretty much. They had a lot of those tools here. Because I guess they're, you know, Eagle's going away. That's the $99 Rigid. Yeah, and they got some more household items, and then they got some Eagle right there at the end. I had to go to the other side of the forklift, and was trying to find the price, but I could not find the price for those. So, and then they had some more Eagle on this side. Huge amounts of Eagle. Mostly were string trimmers for $229. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go down in price because not everybody's gonna buy. They got a whole bunch. So they're still going to be sticking around here. I'm pretty sure they're going to lower the price. If not, they're pretty lower than that sticker price. But as you guys can see, they got a huge, half of this thing is Eagle. Basically, and then you got this trimmer on the top, and then you got the chainsaw there to the right. So for $349. Yeah, that's the string trimmers for $229. That's the chainsaw. They got some Makita there. Makita drill. It's a 1/2 inch drill. So I don't know if they're going to be coming out with the new one or what's going on. You know what, guys? Let me know down in the comment section if you guys know of a Makita 40 volt drill that's coming out. Because I kid you not, I was actually watching a Spanish channel. A tool channel that I forgot what the name is. I'll leave the link down below, or if you guys want me to leave the link. But he did a 40 volt, a review of a new 40 volt tool that's coming out in Mexico. So I don't know if Makita's coming out with new ones or not. But yes, it was pretty much like the older hammer drill with the handle, you know, for Makita, but it was a 40 volt. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they're going to bring that to the US or not. But yeah, I'll see if I can either leave the link down below or something to that channel. It is in Spanish though, just to let you guys know, but you guys can, you know, skip through it just to see that video or the tool, basically. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you guys know what's up with the Makita and 40 volt, if they're coming out or not, or what's going on. Alright, yeah, that's it for today. Just a short video. Like I said, I just stopped by to get that the grass. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.